Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are safe and healthy. Welcome to virtual learning. Today we are going to continue with the chapter number 7, that is getting started with MSW logo. We have covered till 60 page number. Let's move further. Let us now go through the logo window parts. Logo is divided into two sections, that is main screen and commander window. The upper part is called as main screen and the lower part is called as commander window. The main screen is the area where every drawing is viewed by the user. It consists of menu bar, title bar, drawing area. Okay, this is the parts of what the main screen consists of: menu bar, title bar and drawing area. It is an area where every drawing is. Then next is commander window. It is the area where user give commands. These commands make the turtle move on the main screen. The commander window has three main parts, that is input box, recall list box, tools. Let us first see input box. The input box is the area where you type logo commands. You can also edit the commands in this window. In the input box you will type the commands and you can also edit the commands in this window. Next is recall list box. Recall list box, what it does, it keeps a list of all the instructions typed in the input box. It will show or it will keep the list of all the inputs which are typed in the input box. Next is tools. The tools box contains the control button. The control buttons are on the right side and are used for quick actions. There are various control buttons. First one is halt. It will stop the commands entered in the input box. What it will do? It will stop running the commands entered in the input box. Next is trace. Checks are programs for error. What it will do? It will check our programs for error. Next, pause. It will stop the logo program temporarily. It will pause it temporarily or it will stop it temporarily. Next is status. Clicking on this button will give us the turtle position, the thickness of the line it draws. In status you will see it will show the turtle's position and the thickness of the line which turtle draws. Next is step. Runs the program we entered step by step. Next is reset. Clears the main screen. After that is execute button, that carries out the command typed in input box to execute a command. Click on the execute button or press enter key. Next is EDAL. Opens the commander edit window. Next is basic logo commands. Let us learn about the basic logo command. Basic logo commands. First one is forward or FD command. What is the first command? That is forward or FD command. It is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. You can give numbers of steps the turtle should move. Format is forward, then space, then number of steps and then press enter key. What it will do? It will move the turtle number of steps which we have mentioned forward. Next is back command or BK. It is used to move the turtle in the backward direction. You can give the number of steps the turtle should move. Format is backward or BK, then space, then number of steps. After that is home command. It will bring the turtle back to its home position or to the center of the screen. If you are drawing a figure and you type home command, the turtle will move back to its starting position. Just you have to write home in the input box and then and press enter key. It will bring the turtle back to its center or position or the center of the screen. Next is to turn. RT command or right. It will turn the head of the turtle towards the right side. You have to write full spelling, that is RIGHT, right, space number of degree you have to mention it, or RT space number of degree, which how much you want to turn it. Okay. Next is left or LT turns the head of the turtle towards the left side. Then how it is used? You have to type left, then space, then number, or LT space number. Okay. Next is entering MS logo command. How you will enter it? You have to first click on the input box on the bottom of the logo commander window, then type the command and then press enter key or click on the execute button on the right of the commander window. Next is more logo commands. You have to let us see how to clear the screen. You have to first you have to give clear screen command or CS command. We have to, what it will do, it will erase the drawing on the screen and brings the turtles to its initial position. Next is clean. It will does the same function as the CS command. However, it does not bring the turtle back to its home position. In CS, that is clear screen, it will bring the turtle back to its home position and also clear the window. But in clean command, what it will do, it will only clean the window, but it will not bring the turtle in its home position. Next is clear text or CT. This command is used to clear the recall list box. The clear text will not clear the logo screen. It will, the presented figure on the logo screen will not be erased. Short form of clear text is CT. What it will do, it will clear all the text which is present in the recall list box, but it will not clear the main screen or the drawing which you have drawn. It will not be cleared or it will not be erased. Okay. Next is, let us see how to play hide and seek. First one is hide turtle or HT. It will hide the turtle and you can see your finished drawing without the turtle. If you want to, if you don't want the turtle, you want to just see your drawing, then you can use hide turtle, that is HT command. Just you have to type HT in the input box and press enter key. Then what it will do, it will hide the turtle. Next is show turtle. Now if you want to bring back the turtle on the screen, or you want to show the turtle again on the screen, you have to type ST or show turtle, whatever you will write, ST or show turtle. It will bring the turtle back on the screen. ST command will bring the turtle back on the screen. ST command works after HT command is already given. Means if you have not given HT command and then before you are going to give ST command, then it will not work. Okay. Next is exiting logo. You want to exit logo, then there are two methods. First one is type BYE in the command input box and press enter key, or you have to go in the file in the menu bar and click on the exit. This way the logo command you can exit the logo command. Here the chapter is over. Thank you.